Object captured. Nice work.
Identified tank, burning up.
Object captured. Nice work. We have the advantage in sectors. Nicely done. Identify tank in combat. Identify APC in open. The enemy has captured one of our sectors. Confirming capture of enemy base. Good job. Sector lost. I repeat, sector lost. Sector captured. Good work. Sector advantage is on the enemy side.
Identified tank, burning up.
Identify SPA. Ready to fire.
GPS is damaged.
We're on fire. Activate firefighting. The fire is out. Target has not been destroyed. Hit. Driver check meter. No abnormality. Minor damage. Emergency repair. Hurry, hurry.
Identified tank, burning up.
Identify APC in open.
Identified tank, burning up.
Confirming capture of enemy base. Good job. Identify APC in open. The enemy has taken control of our base. Sector is under our control. Identify tanks destroyed. We're on fire. Activate firefighting. Loading HAP.
Jesus, friend is down. Identified tank, burning up.
Emergency maintenance. Target penetrated. Identify tank moving fast. Identify tanks destroyed. The enemy is close to victory. We need to do something. Confirming capture of enemy base. Good job. Emergency repair. Hurry, hurry. Identify tank in combat. Target penetrated. Good job.
Identified tank, burning up.
Sector is under our control. We are close to victory. The advantage is on our side. Identify tank in combat.
Identified tank, burning up.
Yes, this is Hunter 1-1, engaged in destroyed enemy unit. We occupied our objective. Over.